bathi mnandi lento mawuyibuka uphinde uyizwe ngeindlebe yikho ngikunika lapha ukudla kwendlebe bathi hlala phansi uzinze uvula indlebe lezi uyabuka ibhola kanobhutshuzwayo amathashi
If you high risk.
Bafowethu angithi nalazi udaba bafowethu njengoba sisahleli lana kwi-Brothers Hood bafowethu Masters League 2025 ama-awards on the 29th of November ubatshela ukuthi angeke siphinde sibe nezinye i-29 ezaka November 2025 eyifana nezanamhlanje bafowethu.
So no hayi umpolo okhulumayo la naye ubuya lapha e28 Masters.
Cheers.
Striker salapha e28 Masters. I think nami I'm one of the players that were nominated. But angisakhumbuli category but I ngiyazi ngikhona nami I'm nominated yabona. So the reason why sifika early sifike lana sobona ukuthi kambani yabona nathi so gain inspiration so that next season mayivula nje sibe motivated yabona ukuthi wonke lama award la khona abuthwe yithi 28 Masters.
Bafoza mfethu like emonga ngitshela ukuthi kuwe mfethu kusho ukuthini ukuthi kasona among ama players amanye futhi akhona wena ube omunye okhethiwe ukuthi abe khona ku nominations awanamhlanje.
No, for me it's a big thing yabona because kuyakhombisa ukuthi even from team yami Majita I value ama effort yami commitment yami teamini yabona. So nami ngiyangikhuthaza lo ukuthi na next season ngiqhubeka la ngcine khona ngisimisele
nje lana sikhuluma nobani
sanibonani igama lami nguDeni so ngirepresenta iForce Loras LFA njengoba ngila so nathi si-invitewe ukuthi sibe khona sizo attenda kanye nabo si celebrate kanye nabo as much as nabo bayiparty yethu and then another thing futhi yenza ukuthi sibe lana ukuthi one of our executive member uchairperson wethu naye unominate for winners award. Yes, so nabo njengoba bayiphathi yethu silana ukuthi sizo representa nabo. Oh, by the way ni ku-LFA ni chairperson yabo referee. So that is why ngila so that sokhuluma nangama rules kancane si prefer out as ibavala and then sizokhona ukubona ukuthi how do we work it on next year season mayiqa.
Mfethu njengochairperson wabo referee sibonile ukuthi kasona bakhona abo referee abanye abanominatiwe namhlanje kulama awards lawo uyathola so wena mfethu njengomuntu omela abo referee yini into mhlambe ongayikhuluma maybe kulabo referee laba amanominatiwe mfethu namhlanje kuba bonke
okuningi ngeke ngikusho ngoba kuyinto enhle leyo ukuthi abo referee nabo bakhona ukurecognizewa as much as bayibo abanikazi be-field. Usually abo referee ngithi kubo ba ma-owners we-field because yonke into whatever they say they decide and abantu abasebenza ngama-rules yibo abakhona ukuguide ukuthi sihamba kanjani sisebenza kanjani up until So without bona i-football there's no football. So for bona nami ngithi keep it up. I-encouragement le enkulu kakhulu for bona. Yes.
Mfethu umbuzo ogcina before mfethu yesikudedela imaphi mhlawumbe amazwi maybe ongawatshela abafowethu abahleli lapha na kuyiduro eze brotherhood mfethu like ngalento abayenze namhlanje.
Ngithi kubo yabaqhubeka baye phambili, bangayigcini lana, ayiqhubeke ibe into enkulu because lena ibalekisa abantu abaningi from etradeni nokwenza izinto eziningi because nowadays as sibona kunama gender based violence nani so yabo mawula uzikhipha busy uba busy ngayo yonke into ufika endlini ukhathele uba active so awunaso isikhathi leso sokuloku busy uharasa abantu wenzani so masilana siyafundisana nyakhana khona yonke into yeah.
Mfethu asibonge kakhulu mfethu asithemba ukuthi uzoba nelanga elihle mfethu kuma awards namhlanje sizobona phakathi namhlanje urefi baba uMC owehlele buto omdala bengicela ukuthi ungitshelele mfethu abantu ukuthi namhlanje lo esimina lapha phambi kwakho uzosiphathela ihlelo ubani waku
sanibonani bafowethu hayi lo lwazi lo wakamasondo kodwa waziwa ngomroza umroza commentator uyo commentator imidlalo yebhola kanobhutshuzwayo namhlanje ngimenyiwe abantu bahle yabona nje nawe ngaphandle ukuthi hayi bathe wemroza lokho jwalo ukwenza eground nawe uzokwenza la uzonika abantu imkhomelo yabo into engizoyenza ngidume ngayo ke leyo enjalo mntaka baba
mfethu mina nabanye siyawazi umsebenzi wakho baba uyathola mfethu futhi uzwakala usayichaza usayi-introduce ukuthi no yazini lana siphethe omunye umuntu ozosiphathela uhlelo mfethu maybe mawubheka lapha nelistini ubonile ukuthi kunamagama ahlukahlukene kuma nominations yini mhlambe into maybe ongayitshela abafowethu laba abalapha kwilist
bathi sebenza kusakhanya mntaka baba yabona wasebenza kusakhanya nawe namhlanje uzozithola la so abafowethu laba bakulist kusho khona ukuthi bakwazile ukuyiveza iligi mayiqala yaze yaphela yikho sibabona lapha elistini ngisho kule no player of the season, coach of the season, striker of the season, midfielder of the season uzungene kulo list kuyomela usebenze ayilento ithiwa yini Brotherhood Masters League angithi yebo kusho ukuthi lento yini singobhuti sibamsele
ama feelings wabantu awafani yathola khona umuntu othi maye winile ejabule ethi maye ngawinanga kube buhlungu uyathola so labo phethu bayawadinga amagama awugqugquzela ukuthi hayi ungakhali mfowethu if kade ukhona na next day sebenza futhi kanzima mhlambe futhi kuyolunga
injalo mntaka baba angithi league iphelele njengamanje kusho ukuthi sisovula next season kusho ukuthi mangabe namhlanje akwenzekanga ngentando yakho uyazi angithi akwenze ngentando ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi kusho ukuthi kuyomela uyimisele next season ila kumele uphakamise amasokisi khona uyiveze uphakamise isandla uthi nami ngikhona ake ningibone na kanjani engihlala ungabona mntaka baba injalo mntaka baba yiwona amagama amogcina lawo
bafowethu angithi nalazi ukuthi abashilo ukuthi asikho i2 asikho i3 abantu bayangena
Full set, corporate clean. Mean up, kataza nezito golini. I had no push in the key. Kapulisa malaina they am a team. Full set, corporate clean. Mean up, kataza nezito golini. Sada full segment. Pakati stress. Uyalani, balulani, nankelo funani. Ofunani, obuyani, balulani. Sada full segment. Pakati stress. Uyalani, balulani, nankelo funani. Ofunani, obuyani. Sada full segment. Pakati stress. Uyalani, balulani.
no Western area no wala 28 we 28 masters lo nje lokuqoqa abantu abafana nathi ke sibakhulile lokuthi ke sihlangane ndawonye si-enjoy sisonke sithule imisipha ingashwabani kanti ke mina ngomunye wabaphathi beqembu la khona lapha 2028
kakhulu ilanga lanamuhla lengijabulisa ukubona i-league ivala ngokuthi wonke ama-team ahlangane kutholakale ama-award kungijabulisa kakhulu kodwa ngesizini ezayo sizoba unumber 1
ubhuti omdala ubani owakuphi ene laphana kwi-28 masters ukuphi because ngeke sisabuze kwi-masters league udlalelana usuvele wayicacisa ukuthi no vele namhlanje sikhuluma nobani owakuphi
Okay, ulhlonono lo wakabshikho mthiyami ne. Okay. Iplayer le 28 masters. Akusi player nje. I-captain ezobhiyoza mfethu yabo. Yeah, noma ukuthi i-first season yethu esamawuthi ibenzima lapho nalapho but sikwazile ukuthi simanage ukuthi siwadlala wonke ama game. But yeah, sithathe from there and then next season I think sizwenza more. I understand because of la azanga nje ukuthi sizogcwalisa inamba uthiyami sizocompete la yabo.
I-high risk mama kwale nje kancane ukuthi ithathe iligi kulonyaka lo uyayithola mhlambe wena njengomlandeli omunye futhi owe-high risk yini into ongayitshela ababukeli lapha
ukuthi no banga give up as give up na next time isazoyithatha maybe next day yethu phindile thwala wasezonke izizwe
nginibingelele ma viewers weKilem podcast lo nikhuluma naye uZakhele Khumalo admin ye Brotherhood Masters League namhlanje size lana to commemorate and celebrate the best performers esinawo eligini yethu yeBrotherhood just to show appreciation to their efforts enjoy as we close off the season.
Abantu abaningi bayayiqala fethu into ekanje ukuthi like i-tournament eyasekasi ibuye futhi ibe like nento whereby ama like yabona bayawabonga uyathola and futhi like besho ukuthi noba fethu keep going but fethu because like yabona lento ekanje next season fethu like baningi abantu abazofuna ukungena fethu
sure uyabona wena bro wami into ekanje iyasiza ukukhuthaza namajita yabona ukuthi na next season ama team aphushe mhlawumbe umuntu ongeka wine kula moto namhlanje uzobona ivalue yokuba serious throughout the season yabona afake more effort ama teams nawo azophusha harder because ayabona ukuthi there's appreciation ekhona eligini and just to grow the brand yabona ukuthi attract even more people even spectators and sponsorship and the community as a whole nje Khatura sihlangane nje nebona abantu abadala bona abantu abadala mabahlangene ngento eziso ikhuthaza nama youngsters ukuthi man there's life in football even after your 30s you can still enjoy it you can still enjoy the game you can still be part of the brand
mfethu before mfethu sikudedela uhambe mfethu mhlambe yini maybe ongayitshela mhlambe some of ama player because maybe mhlambe amanye mebazosho ukuthi eyisha mina angikho mhlambe nyaphayiziseke uyathola ene futhi khona nomunye mhlambe maybe maybe aphumelele ukuthi mhlambe athole iaward uyathola maybe omunye mhlambe ngasho ukuthi abayangibhayizisa uyathola maybe amagama ongawatshela mhlambe maybe lawo majita ukuthi noba fethu asingayithathi ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
You know the best thing about these nominees, the way Swans are going, the teams themselves, you are voted ama peers wabo. So ama peers abantu odlala nabo week in week out. So umuntu vota akavotela umuntu o team yakhe or umuntu amfrostana uvotela umuntu ambonayo week in week out aperforma kwenye team. Which shows ukuthi i-recognition ikhona throughout. Siyabona nomunye umuntu noma ngabonanga namhlanje. But the fact ukuthi uyabona ukuthi kule position yakho umuntu oso ukhethiwe ngendlela eso ukhethwa abantu abangaka ukudlulela kwabanye abantu nawe uyakhombisela ukuthi mawufaka i-effort udlala ngokuzimisela uzogcina nawe utholakala kulama position akanje
mfethu asibonge kakhulu mfethu angithemba ukuthi asigcina ukubona mfethu like sisazophinde futhi sizama ukuthi sikutshontshe futhi later on bafethu angindalazi udaba buthi omdala cela ungitshela ukuthi lento lena ithini kuwe because ngiyakhumbula last masikhuluma nawe eWindmill Park ubonye owabantu okade uqhuquzela ukuthi yazini abantu ababeke ihlo kwiBrotherhood uyathola uqhuquzela nabanye abantu futhi ukuthi into kanje ibalekile so besicela ukuthi usitshele ngalelanga leli elanamhlanje
Bhuti ngiyabonga isikhathi kakhulu babukeli sanibonani I'm very honored ngoba ngithe mangifika la ngifike ngimusha okuningi ngakwazi but here am I one yama nominees wabo referee one of the best referees so I'm hoping ukuthi yonke into izahamba kahle but manikhona kanje ngiyabelieve ukuthi kuzoba right ngiyathemba kakhulu bantu boss
mqeqeshi lokhu kusho khona ukuthi mhlambe lokhu maybe kungaba yiyo enye eyama contract oyisayinayo maybe ne brotherhood ukuthi ama seasonini maybe lawa amanye sizokubona futhi ukhona.
Correct, masuka la siyaphambili kubalekile kakhulu futhi whatever that has happened nale opportunity engiyinikwe yona ngiyayijabulela kakhulu so ngiyenze sure ukuthi ngizoyibamba ngazonke lezandla enginazo ngiyenze sure ukuthi going forward nami lokho enginako ngizokwazi ukuthi ngikufake la I'm willing to add value kuyo le brotherhood Masters League kakhulu futhi
Puto Mdala usakhuluma ngokeda ivalue kunabanye abo ref lapha ngoba sibonile ukuthi akusibona bonke abangenile ungathini mhlambe kulaba maybe abangakazanga ukuthi bayithole maybe basethubeni lokuthi bangenelele mhlambe maybe kulonyaka la
i-dedication wena bhuti man yazi mawuzinikele entweni and uyithanda izokuthanda nayo so ngithi kuwa abangayinyathi lento abayenza because at the end of the day sihlanganisa ama-families kufana nokuthi I'm a leader amongst groundini lapha I'm leading abantu abadala abantu bemizi nani so by being there ikufundisa ne-leadership so thatha leyo nto uthi mawuyongena ngayo lapha egroundini uyofundisa nawe abanye abantu so ngithi kubo abayithanda into abayenza bazoba right.
Puto Mdala mina engizokusho ukuthi congratulations kwinomini yakho maybe at the end of the show uzobe usochaza ukuthi avele bengishilo ukuthi lena ngizohamba nayo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu I'm thinking ukuthi bakhona aba better than mina but into engiyibonga ukuthi ngithe mangifika I found myself as one of ama nominees ukuba nje inomini nje kuphela nje into engiyijabulela kakhulu kusho likhulu kimsho ukuthi ukhona la kwamele ngiyenze khona kakhulu ukudlulela la ngicale khona so hayi ngiyabonga opportunity abafowethu enginabo bonke lapha big ups all the best kuzothatha le ndeba and naye uzabashaya ispan and all the best to everyone bamnominated wena bhuti man all the best nakuwe mfowethu ithi channel ikhulu ibe into enkulu ukuyaphambili mfowethu yama
Puto Mdala ama award lapha ongabonile basawabekile ukuthi mongena mhlambe ungayibamba ushuthe nayo kuze mongayina ekhaya at least isithombe basibone so awuthi singakubambezeli sikudedele uthi uhambe kuyabona kakhulu asibonge bafowethu one of the best referees bafethu kwi brotherhood bafethu nayo khona ku nominees bafethu awalonyaka bafethu angithi niyabona ukuthi bafethu kuyavutha bafethu imoto ziyangena abantu bayangena benza sure ukuthi lana siyangena mina ngithi nalazi ugama ngikhilemo ngihamba nenja yami uSeshman shout out to iBrilliant Connect bafethu ne Brotherhood Masters League awe lento ngeke siqale bafethu singakami nomphathi wethu angithi nalazi udaba mphathi mfethu kama kanjani
ngiyabonga ngiyaphila mfethu ngiyaphila ngazi ngiyezwa ukuthi kunjani mfethu yazi ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi abantu ba-attendile ne-weather yavuma ukuthi besingathembi ukuthi kuzoba nje yabo mara uNkulunkulu benathi nje esikufisayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe nathi sichubeke nomsebenzi wethu uphumelele.
Coach mfethu asikhulume mfethu ngalelanga leli elanamhlanje bafo sobonile ama awards mfethu sonke lapha na gold ahleli alinda abanikazi mara manje phela mfethu lama award awalingani nama player bafo mfethu uyayithola so manje awusikhulumele mfethu nalaba abangakwazanga ukuthi bangene kuma nominations mfethu this year ukuthi kasona bavalelwe or no bafethu angithi niyazi ukuthi ispotlight sishayina kumuntu oyedwa ngesikhathi
ukuya injalo bra man into engizokutshela yona ukuthi umuntu ukuzimisela komuntu understand namanje nje bamangela bazi ukuthi ubani uwinner akhona ama nominees ama best 3 maka they don't know ukuthi ubani ozothatha i award so that's why I feel ama award ngomsebenzi womuntu bavotile abavotayo babavotela abajida ngomsebenzi wabo so ngithi mina for next season amajida mawazimisele ayithande lento abayenzayo ngoba inemivuzo inemiphumela futhi ekuphambilini
coach umbuzo esihlezi sibuza mfethu mangabe siphumile Masters Hood mfethu yikho mfethu lokhu okokuthi bafo wena njengomphathi owe Brotherhood bafo yini into ongayitshela abantu abasibukelele lapha yana ukuthi mfethu like njengoba sibona bafo ukuthi into lena ikanje mfethu like siyayiqala mfethu ngasendaweni yakithi ukuthi yabona sibe nabantu abazo celebrate abantu abasendaweni yakithi siphinde futhi ukuthi like yabona sibaphushe mfethu ngezinto ezikanje kuma awards ukuthi yabona amajidi azobona ukuthi no bafethu kuyasebenzeka uyathola mhlawumbe next season sobuya sesibaningi nabanye yathola amazwi nje ongawatshela mfethu umuntu obukile lapha mfethu ngelokho njani ngeBrotherhood
ngithi mina ngebrotherhood ibrotherhood bafethu ukuthi sizikhiphe busy sibulala ushukela ukugijima ukeep fit then like kuphume stressini chance endabeni eziningi eziphuma endleleni endabeni zabo ukuthi sibambene inkunzi emasayidini so lana njengoba siyibiza ngebrotherhood singama brothers lana so asibambaneni kanjalo bafethu nawo mawufuna ukusijoyina ikhona isizini ivuliwe iwindow yama teams wavulela ukuthi ayezazi usijoyina contacta uJovisi or umzeke sikhona lapha yana mawungifuna wena just ngithinte kulama number lawo 063 011 1921 uzongithola khona and then ujoin uzosijoina nabantu bethu la the way siphathane ngakhona ngibonga kakhulu futhi nokuthi impatho yabo abangibekeli phansi so ukubambisana kakhulu nje kuphela.
Mphathi before mfethu sikudedela mfethu singena kwabanye abantu ngama interview mhlambe maybe mawungasichazela maybe ukuthi le event esibona mfethu namhlanje ngoba i success kanje ibaphi maybe abantu osebenzisane nabo maybe yabona via maybe kwi-board yathola nama sponsors maybe athe ithina wafake isandla ekutheni like lama awards labo abempumelelo fandaka.
Ukuze kube impumelelo yethu yokuthi ama-award aphumelele manje ukuthi ukubambisana kwama-team nokuthi abajita azange sikhona ukuthi unfortunately sihlulekile ukuthola isponsor sihlulekile ukuthola isponsor besizamile ukufaka ama-proposal la siwafaka khona azange sithole feedback azange sithole next so ukuphusha nje ukuthi size ne-idea ukuthi ngcono sithengisa amathikithi abantu beze siyenze lento esifuna ukuyenza sibonga kakhulu naku KDM sinayo siyayibonga nako ukuthi iyakhona ukusichasa la isichasa khona into yethu kwazi ukuvelela leyo umsebenzi wethu esiyenzayo so ngibonga kakhulu kuma team ngibonga kakhulu ukubambisana kakhulu nje ama-team aku brotherhood into engakusho lokho mfethu.
Mphathi mfethu othi sikudedele mfethu uqhubeke namalungiselelo bafo
Zigwe instrumental.
bayabathwebula nje mahala hamba injalo ke lapha bafowethu hey madoda bathatha konke nalelo labo futhi madoda Monaco asishaleni izandla bafowethu isebenzile Monaco ayisebenzile kulo nyaka ka2025 sebenze umuhle ke lapha wenziwe yona ke lapha iMonaco bayanithwebula ikhona ke lapha neKDM podcasting inani ke lapha iphezukweni awu madoda sibonge lapha sibonge ke lapha uthulane esashutha sekuzoqala ke lapha esize ngakho sekuzoqala manje lapha lokhu esize ngakho ngiyaza ngithi sizeleni la sizothatha izinto zethu angithi yebo sizothatha izinto zethu khumbula ke lapha ikhona ke lapha yona ke lapha coach of the season sinama category ke la sinama category lapha ayisithupha sine coach of the season siphinde sibe nayo ke lapha goalkeeper of the season siphinde sibe nayo ke lapha defender of the season siphinde futhi sibe nayo midfielder of the season siphinde sibe nayo ke lapha striker of the season siphinde sibe nayo futhi lapha yena ke lapha referee of the season bakhona ngithi abashaya bempempe la ukhona umshayi wempempe awuphakamisa isandla sikubone bathi usenzani kodwa Mr Referee bathi kodwa usenzani we Mr Referee mina ngithi awusibonge bafowethu ezandleni inkosi yami awusibonge seyaqala ke manje lento esize ngayo isiyaqala ke manje lento esize ngayo abantu abathola imkhomela abathola izinto ezibafanele siqala ku coach of the season siqala ku coach of the ngifuna ningizwe kahle la sesaliqala ke manje lapha uhlelo lethu bayalungisa ke laphana enginabo etafuleni. Siqala lapha ku coach of the season. We have 3 nominees. Ngifuna ngizwe kahle la. Ngicela ngizwe kahle. We have lapha 3 nominees. Ngizoqala ngibize nje lapha amagama wabo bonke laba abathathu abakhona la. Lapha the nominees ukhona lapha uMandla Mchunu, ukhona futhi lapha Daniel Fish Manana, ukhona ke futhi lapha Mahlomula Sikhoto. Those are the nominees. Those are the nominees. Those are the nominees. Ozongitshela ke lapha uyena ke lapha Tazexi Mseke lapha Mfoka Khumalo. Coach of the season goes to Mahlomula Sikhoto. Oh, Mahlomula Sikhoto. Bathi wozothatha into zakho Mahlomula Sikhoto, coach of the season. Bathi ukwenze konke coach of the season. Ake simshayele izandla bafowethu. Uhamba nendebe yakho, uhamba ne-certificate. Uhamba nendebe yakhe, uhamba ne-certificate. Sibonga ke lapha Sikhoto. Awu muhle umsebenzi. Akathatha nje lapha ithuba lapha Mr. Sikhoto. Ukubonge baba.
Dumelang. Sanibonani dumelang. Yo bafethu ngicela ukunibonga nibahle libathawo oluthule bafethu ngithanda ukubonga ibrotherhood ngento eyenzile ezingicoach e-high risk njengengane esakhasa ngisagaxa ngiyeza kulaba abanye e-high risk bafethu ifike ulamthuthu kodwa ulamthuthu uzibonisile ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yeah, safika la sifike khona. Ngibonga kakhulu bafethu ama-teammate wami wonke. It is an honor to receive this accolade. Akusinoma ubani othola into efana nalena. And then into ezitholakala kusebenziwe bafethu. Ngibonga umphakathi wonke ukuphuma imindeni ukuphuma yonke. Ngiyanibonga bafethu, ngiyanithanda. Thank you.
Awusibonge lapha Mr. Sikhoto, coach of the season, high risk. Wayeseyithathela into yakhe ke lapha ucoach asemsheleni izandla kokugcina Nkosi yami. Siyaqhubeka ngishilo ngathi sinama category. Sesiya ku goalkeeper of the season. Siya ku goalkeeper of the season. Njengama ngifuna ungizwe kahle. Ngizobiza ama nominees amathathu njengamanje. The nominees uMandla Gumede, uyena ke lapha bese kuba uSikhumbuzo Nkosi, kuba uSibusiso Malaza. Ngibona ke lapha abathathe ngibabizile Mandla Gumede, Sikhumbuzo Nkosi, Sibusiso Malaza. And the goalkeeper of the season is goalkeeper of the season Mandla Gumede. High risk. Where's it?
Ngithanda ukubingelela bonke abakhona ngaphakathi. Siyabonga kuwo wonke ama-team ebekade sinawo for isizini yonke. U-goalkeeper wethu Nkosi yami siyambongela akekho ubanje umsebenzi. Sisazothatha siyabuya ne. Yeah.
Danko. Ezandleni bafowethu high risk. Hey madoda. Ngathi kukhulu okuzayo la. Ngathi kukhulu ngempela okuzayo la. Siyaqhubeka ngingasho ngathi ama-category ami akhona amaningi. Siya ku defender of the season. Ningizwe kahle. siya ku defender of the season abantu abakhulula imoya madoda ya kunzima mase kunshe ngizokubizela nje lapha ama nominees ami amathathu and the nominees are Papa Makele, Xolani Ngwenya, Happy Mukhale, Papa Makele lapha Xolani Ngwenya, Happy Mukhale, and the defender of the season is Xolani Ngwenya AS Monaco.
Oye. Sanbonani. Nginibingelele nonke. Xolani lokhulumayo, Mamosha, i-captain eMonaco. Uqala ngibonga iMonaco. Benye ngithathe ngaphandle kweMonaco. Ngila iMonaco. 18 emoyeni. Seza salithinta siyeza kancane. Bayoze bavuma bathi hayi bayangithinta. Ngikubonga wonke ama-team ebesidlala against nawo ku-league. Lento esiyiyo benyeke sibe yiyo ngaphandle kwawo. So ngeke ngisho okuningi ukubonga ifamily eMonaco kakhulu. Yabonga 18 emoyeni. Iviki neviki. Beke.
Awusibonge madoda ezandleni lapho bafethu akunizwa. Nazo-ke bafethu usebenzile chance Mamosha. Thathela lapha defender of the season. Sibonge ke lapha yona ke lapha insizwa uXolani ithathela ke lapho yena ke ugijimela lapha ku AS Monaco. Yengasho ngathi siyaqhubeka. Sesiya ku midfielder of the season. Ngifuna ningizwe kahle. Ngizobiza lapha ama nominees amathathu abanginike wona la. Ukhona lapha Mzayifani Moyana, Thabo, hayibo bafowethu ngitheni ngizwe kahle. Anifuna ukungizwa. Ngisabiza ama nominees. Asikasho wini lutho bani. The nominees Mzayifani Moyana, Thabo Chabu Botsane, Sandile Khalishwayo. Ngiyaphinda futhi Mzayifani Moyana, Thabo Chabu Botsane, Sandile Khalishwayo. And the midfielder of the season is Mzayifani Moyana. Iyashimaka.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? Ngijabulele ukuba lana azibafiki. Ngijabulele ukuba lana. Yazi mina bengithanda ukubonga wonke umuntu olana. Futhi kakhulu ngiqale ku-chairman wami umfethu. Ngayo yonke into captain wami. Ngayo yonke into ngithanda ukubonga bafethu. Thank you bafethu.
Sibasheleni izandla lapha msayifani moyana. Ngiyakuzwa my selector. Sibuyisele ekhaya ke lapha my selector Nkosi yami. Yengasho ngathi lento iyaqhubeka iyahamba. Sesiya lapha kubagadli ke manje abashayi begoli. Abantu abadabula inethi. Siya lapha striker of the season. Ngifuna ngizwe futhi. Nginithanda nje manje seningizwa. Ngizonibizela ke lapha ama nominees amathathu abantu abaqokethiwe ke la. Ngifuna ngizwe. Ngizonibizela ama nominees amathathu. The nominee number 1 uyena ke lapha Siphelele Jerry Chirwa. Ukhona futhi lapha Sifiso Mchunu, uPakiso Peterson. Sifiso Mchunu, Pakiso Peterson, ama nominees lawo. And the striker of the season is Siphelele Jerry Chirwa, AS Monaco. Monaco.
Ngiphinde ngibingelele futhi usiphelela ke kwabafethu abanjwe umsebenzi. Ngizombongela siyabonga siMonaco iviki neviki 18 emoyeni beke libeke.
Asibashele izandla ke lapha AS Monaco Jerry Chirwa. Sesiya lapha ku last category referee of the season. Ike yeza lensizwa singakayibizi. La ama nominees mahlanu ke la. Ngifuna ngizwe futhi. Nginithanda nje mase ningizwa. Ngifuna sizwane bafethu. Ngizobiza ke lapha ama nominees amahlanu. The nominee number 1 Ulungile Shabalala. Bese kuba uAndris Inhlanhla Thoteti. Bese kuba uThidiso Lekhamcha Litwaba. Bese kuba lapha uDelani Mabaso, kuba uDeni Khwedi. Bathi ubiza abantu laba basidlisayo. Injalo ke madoda. And the referee of the season is Thidiso Lekhamcha Litwaba.
I pay my due time after time. I've done my sentence, no commit, no crime. I'm back mistakes, I've made a few. I hit my share of scam, kicked in my face, they come my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Ngithanda abanikazi bamaklabhu namasapota bengasebenzi. Sengiyasebenza ngenxa yenu. Ngibonga ichairman yami eVLP. Ngiyangifanya ngiyathanda ngiyabonga amasapota weligi noJovisi. Ngiyabonga ngiyethanda konke. Ichairman yami. Ngiyethanda konke. Ngiyakudlala woza. Ngiyakudlala woza.
Hayi sibonge bafowethu, ake simshayele izandla kokugcina Thikiso. Awu bafowethu, yazi wayikhulumela wathi bafowethu niyaze namkhiphe endlaleni bafowethu bengasebenzi kodwa ngenxa yenu ngingayithatha kancane lento inkulu lento enziwa la. Sibonge futhi lapha Brotherhood Masters League umsebenzi omuhle niwenzayo ukuthi ningaqhubeka endlondlobale bafowethu niqhubeke njalo niyenze lento ungayithatha sakudlala kanti konke yenzayo lento emntwini. Ake sibonge bafowethu phela kanjalo ke lapha bafowethu lapha bekuyona ke lapha referee of the season njengamanje sobesithathe nje lapha ithuba sibize ke lapha ubaba uJabu Nkosi akafike nje lapha ngaphambili akuyena ke lapha chairperson we-VLFA aphinde futhi lapha yana abe i-deputy chairperson yayo ke lapha Safa Ekuruleni. Siyacela baba uJabu Nkosi ake simshele nje lapha izandla sesa phambili.
Sanibonani. Linjani? Ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibingelele I think executive. Ngibingelele executive ye Brotherhood Masters League, ngibingelele executive ye Fosloras LFA. Ngibingelele uThidiso lokuqeda ukudansa la, my former ref. Is a former referee but ngiyajabula ukumbona ukuthi usa contributor somewhere. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu muhle umsebenzi noma ngifike late but at least we had a delegate from Fosloras LFA. Nami bengine commitment somewhere but ngoba ngitholile invite ngithe I will make sure ukuthi ngiyavela just nje to show face ngizohlonipha umsebenzi omuhle wenziwa abafowethu. Ngithathe nethuba ngithi congratulations to everyone owinile i-award nalabo abangawinanga. Just need to work harder next season. Nami ngisafuna i-team engizoyidlalela next season kuma Masters. So hopefully next season mangiza la ngizobe ngizothola maybe award for something else. So ngibonga kakhulu umsebenzi omuhle ngicela ngiqhubeke kanjalo nibambe kanjalo bafethu nabo sisifethu. Thank you.
Awusibonge lapha kubaba uJabu Nkosi ekhuluma nje lapha amazwi amnandi bafethu nakhayo ukuthi siqhubeke lapha si Brotherhood lapha Masters League njengamanje lama sese lapha ku Fair Play Awards ke manje siya ku Fair Play Awards. Ngizocela nje lapha ubaba umzeke uzakhele Khumalo esengaphambili. Siyacela ubaba umzeke esengaphambili zakhele Khumalo ake simshayele izandla nje sesa.
Benge kwa uwa.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? Hayi nami ngiyaphila. The category ezwenziwa manje it's a Fair Play Award. This award goes to the individual who showed commitment and loyalty and just being there for the team. So each and every team in the league is over nomination yakhona Fair Play Award. So I will just mention the name of the candidate and the team. Ngicela mangifisa uze ngaphambili if lo muntu akekho ngicela i-representative team please. First award goes to Manqoba Gaga we-Winnie Park. Jacob Litoko of New Jack City. Goes to Uzama Nkosi of Makakula.
Sanibonani nonke. Thanda ukubonga lethuba ebangipha lona namhlanje. Ngibonge iBrotherhood tournament. Solo ngaqala ukudlala angikaze ngiyithole into enje. 15 years ngidlala ibhola abaningi bayangazi 15 years ngidlala ibhola.
Bafowethu angithi nalazi udaba bafowethu njengoba sisahleli lana kwi Brotherhood bafowethu Masters League 2025 ama awards on the 29th of November. Ubatshela ukuthi angeke siphinde sibe nezinye 29 ezaka November 2025 efana neza namhlanje bafowethu.
Sanibonani emakhaya, igama nguThemba waKambongo. Ngibuya khona la extension 20. Cleansing the community kulezi zinto ezenzakalayo manje boma drugs and substance abuse. So I think it's very important ukuthi abantu abakanje bahlale ba safe. And
lento eyenzeke namhlanje akuyona ifavor mfethu abakuzwelanga uzimisele mfethu uyathola nathi siyakubongela mfethu
ngegama ngumzayifana Moyana bafethu lento eyenzakale ngamhlanje bafethu shoot manje bengekho like kulomqondelo ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizohlala ngela yabo yeah
bangithande banika something right bathi umuntu before umhlonipha before azokuhlonipha ngaye wena respect me all rounder yeah me all round
nalast akusiyona i-team le ethathe i-league eyathatha kwaSana yathola like mfethu kuyaqala ngani nefuthi siyafisa ukuthi sikubone futhi mfethu kuqhubeka
bengu injury but I'm recovering.
Yeah, so it was not easy for Tina because it was our first time we won. So yeah, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bebanginominate mina sithole ne experience. So my supporters wethu 28 Masters thanda ukwathembisa ukuthi next season yeah angeke siwa disappoint.
Angikho we are coaching ngicoacha nabanye abafowethu ngibonga lethuba ngeke ngalithola sifikele sayenza imark onke umuntu obela league last year no beke la before akakholwanga lento yenze high risk kunomfowethu eMagagula Masters engakhula aladlala today he went nge free play award
wathi ngithola namhlanje uthando lokuthi contribute emphakathini ngicela ukuthi next year ubani hamba nabantu banjani ngiyacela umashini esilonga umuntu uthanda abantu uNkulunkulu uzoba nawe ujobisi yomfaka ujobisi la ngiyasebenza ngincaka
anyway hayi yonke into right for iMonaco mfethu sithathe konke sithathe league sathatha top 4 sathatha top 8 yonke league yeBrotherhood siyabonga kuBrotherhood bafethu yonke into enisenzele yona inhle njengoba sila yonke into sijabulile na sibuye zonke ne so yonke into ivele yabalula for mina.
Number 1 hello Monaco,
yeah,
because if you want to sleep Monaco, if you want to breathe Monaco, if you want to take cups Monaco, if you want to take Master League Monaco. Sanibonani ma Monaco nabanye abantu abahle. Welcome to i-ceremony i-awards baphisana ngama prizes. Thanks for iBrotherhood for ukuthi shayele into efana le. It's rare ukuthi kuthola ukuthi after i-league iphela kube ne-ceremony so because it's not all about players. Abomama abantwana bazobona ukuthi baba all along nje bekahamba athi wadlala ibhola bekayenzayo, even though nalaba ngawinanga next effect ukuthi they partaken kule tournament le. It's so great. And ngiyabonga to everyone ozile ukuzo attenda, even nalaba nga-attendanga. Thank you very much. Imithandazo nisibekile iweda ivulile ukuthi yonke into ibe sharp mara ningakhohlwa Monaco because we are Monaco.